Today we're making chicken and dumplings, and I'm about to boil some chicken here for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna take these biscuits out and cook them, cook them for about 17 minutes on 350. Okay, I'm putting the biscuits in the oven again for 350 for 17 minutes. Okay, the biscuits are now ready, so we're just going to let them cool off. Okay, the chicken boiled for 20 minutes, so now I've put it in the blender, and I'm going to blend it up, then I'm going to put it back in the pot. Alright, you see here I've got some chicken broth that was made using the chicken I just boiled. So before I put my chicken back in, I'm actually going to be putting some spices in here and stirring it up. Alright, so I'm going to put some salt, parsley flakes, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And you can actually add other spices if you like, and other things too, like Worcestershire sauce if you want. Anything you want you can add at this time. So I add a little bit of corn starch in with the mixture too after the spices. You can also replace that with flour if you like, or you don't even have to put it in at all. I'm going to put a can of cream of mushroom soup in the mixture. Now I'm going to put 2 cups of milk in the mixture. And from the previous slide or video I showed, if you don't have to put the cream of mushroom soup, but some people also use cream of chicken to put in the mixture as well to make it creamier. I got everything in the mixture now, so the next thing I'm going to be putting in is the chicken. Then I'm going to be breaking off pieces of the biscuits to put in it. Okay, so we got everything in the bowl now, so now we're going to cook it on low to medium heat, probably for about 15 minutes. Then the chicken dumplings should be ready. The chicken dumplings are ready. Yum, yum. Just wanted to thank everybody for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Take care.